Bro, let's go. I finally got this mechanical keyboard. Alright, let me plug this in right here. Alright, there we go. Let's go, man. I can finally use this. Bro, I finally got this keyboard, man. Oh my god. Oh, that's sick. I can change the lighting effects. Let's see. Oh, this fire one. This one's sick. There's more though. There's reactive. Oh, this one's sick. It just lights up every time you press it. This one's cool. I wonder what this sounds like compared to my other keyboard. Oh yeah, this mechanical one is much better. Wait, should I keep it as reactive or... Actually, no, wait, I want to change the effect again. Oh, this one's sick. Starlight? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it as this one for sure. Oh wait, there's more? No, actually no, Wave. I think Wave is good. This one should be good. This one's sick. Wait, actually... Oh, should I take one of these off? I don't want to break it. Oh man, I hope this doesn't break. Alright, I'll just try it. Please don't break. Oof, alright, good, it didn't break. Whoa, look at the switch though, this thing looks crazy. Bro, stop, bro. I can hear it from downstairs. Stop. It's so annoying. Oh my gosh. Wait, why do you even have another keyboard? You already have one. Oh, it's because this one, it sounds better. See? Because it sounds better? Really? You bought another keyboard because it sounds better. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah, sorry. I'll stop. Thank you. Oh my gosh.